In this video, I will show you how to create a QR code in Chrome. This should be a quick and easy tutorial to follow, but before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. Now with Google Chrome, you can actually create a QR code for any website. So what I'm going to do is actually come across to my channel and I'm going to show you how this works. Here we are on my channel page, as you can see, youtube.com/@Tech Tutor Tutorials. Now, once you're on the website that you want to create a QR code for, come up to the top right hand corner, and what you want to do is click onto the three dots up here. On this menu that comes up, come down to the cast, save and share option, and on this sub menu, you're going to see at the very bottom an option to create QR code. So what you can do is give that a click. And as you can see, this is going to create our QR code for this particular website. In my case, that's my YouTube channel. What you can then do is go ahead and click on download. And what that's going to do is download this onto your PC as an image. So you can load this up and then of course share that wherever you want to. So that is how to create a QR code in Chrome. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute. Thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial and I will see you in the next video.